सर आप लाइव है सर।
हाँ हाँ।
आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं सर।
ओ ओके। ठीक है, आई विल स्पीक आउट समथिंग. हेलो, वेलकम to all of you, whoever is present there. And what I am going to request you to ask questions if you have any. If not, then let me quickly tell you what uh, you should do, probably from the point of view of passing the examination. That must be your first aim. But if you want to learn the basics of this chemistry that I have been teaching, then you should ask questions to me in normal forum, where by email or other way, and also to the TA. If not, then you should also send questions to me on this forum. Anyway, so I think 6 weeks have passed, and I have taught many things as far as oxidations are concerned, and we have started the reduction part also. The questions that I'm going to ask in the examination will be similar to the questions that I had given as home assignment. Um, will involve various kinds of combinations of the reagents and reactions that I have taught. So you need not go out of the syllabus and just concentrate on these home assignments that I have mentioned. And based on that, you can solve the questions. Now, for example, if there is a carbonyl group, and if that carbonyl group is present, first to start with, I give you say a double bond, an alkene, and you have to then convert into a homologous alkene or further something on that. Then obviously you have to oxidize the alcohol to the corresponding aldehyde or ketone, and then convert that into another olefin or anything else based on further reactions and what is required. For example, if homologation is required, that means you have to increase one more carbon. Then obviously you have to do the Wittig reaction on that ketone or aldehyde and refunctionalize. That means if suppose you start with one alcohol and you want to give homologous alcohol, then clearly what you have to do is to oxidize, do Wittig reaction. Again, you have to do the hydroboration oxidation or any other means by which you can get the alcohol. So this is one way of doing things. Similarly, I have mentioned many things as far as sulfur-based chemistry is concerned. And sulfur-based chemistry is very important from the point of view of making it a mild oxidizing agent rather than using transition metal-based chemistry such as chromium or anything else. And therefore, the application of it is based on how do you introduce the sulfur into the molecule and then carry out the oxidations. And alcohol oxidation with sulfur also I have mentioned as far as Fern oxidation is concerned. And then later on, mild oxidizing agents such as phenyl iododiacetate and IBX and desmartin pyridine and many others I have introduced. So each one of them has to be carefully utilized in the sequence of the reactions. Now, since I have started the reduction also, that means now you can have a combination of oxidation and reduction together. And the basic reactions of CC bond formation, such as, say, Diels-Order reaction or Wittig reaction or Grignard reaction or something of that sort, can always be utilized. And I need not emphasize on that. So basically, the conversion of one molecule to, say, a molecule, another molecule after 4, 5 steps, 6 steps would require the application of oxidation and reduction um, together, along with CC bond formation of a simple nature, which you already have studied during your BSc or something like that. Now, hydroboration oxidation I have not taught in here. I have not, but it is understood that because that is taught at 10+2 level. So I suppose every one of you knows. And likewise, Diels-Alder reaction is also known to people. Wittig reaction is known to people. And then, of course, aldol condensation and other things. Of course, I will teach more aspects of these aldol condensation and other things later on, and more of emphasis on stereoselectivity. Also later on, I will be talking in the next, in fact, I just started on in the 7th week towards the end, the asymmetric epoxidation and asymmetric dihydroxylation, particularly by Sharpless. And so asymmetric reactions, asymmetric oxidations and reductions could also be utilized in the sequence of conversions of one to some other target molecule. So in there, the only thing is that your stereoselectivity and enantioselectivity has to be very carefully looked at. So from these points of views, it's important that whatever home assignments that I have given, you should practice and ask, send me questions by email or ask the TA and send the questions on the forum for the TA, so that the TA also can respond. And if I get directly an email, then I can also respond. In addition to that, I have also said many times that you should ask the questions here, post the questions here, and then if you want to learn how to do the conversions, or if you want to understand the basics of the chemistry that I have taught, if there are any doubts, if there are any questions, then only. This is what I would like to emphasize on. If there is anyone who is attending this live interaction session, then you can ask a question. Right. I don't see any response, so I'm not sure whether anybody has come or not. Doesn't look like. I don't think there is any question or there is any other participant. So what I would like to do is to stop this interactive session. हॅलो, हा कोणी कोणी आलेले तर नाही आहे. हा, because then I spoke for about 10 minutes. I told them whatever I can. हा, आता ठीक आहे. हा हा, नाही ऍक्च्युली 10 मिनिटं मी बोललो. आय टोल्ड देम वॉट एव्हर इज इम्पॉर्टंट. पण बाकी आणखी काय सांगणार? केमिस्ट्री ते सांगणार मी जस्ट जनरल सांगितलंय. अजून कोणी आलेलं नाहीये. 15 मिनिटं तर झाली जवळजवळ. आय डो नॉट नो व्हॉट टू डू. हे मागच्या वर्षी पण तेच झालं होतं. नोबडी केम, नोबडी. आणि कोणी प्रश्नच विचारत नाही ह्याच्यामध्ये काय, ऑन द बाय ईमेल और इन दॅट फॉरम. सो आय डोंट नो व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग. They don't want to learn, they just want to appear in the exam, that's it. काय करायचं? We can stop? हां, ठीक आहे. Okay. Okay, so nobody seems to be present for this interactive session, and therefore it's already 15 minutes. I've been waiting for a long time. So nobody's coming, so I'm going to stop the interactive session now. मी बंद करतोय.